Hey, you my peekabird? Peekaboo. Hi. Hey, buddy. Good morning, Doc. Good morning. Hi. What's up, bud? What you doing? What's up, Doc? What you doing? Hi. Good morning, peekaboo. Are you a peeka bird? Ooh, hawk noise. Very nice. Peekaboo. Who's a pretty peekaboo? Oh, yeah. Good morning. Where's the peekaboo? He's right here. See? Peekaboo. Yes, he's your peekabird. Doc Martin, yes. Who's a peekabird? Doc Martin is a peekaboo. Peekabird. That's a word that you made up. Peekabird. Uh-oh. Good boy. Pretty. That was interesting. I don't know what that was, but yeah. Keep going. I know what you're doing. Good boy. Doc Martin.